In today's class, we are going to discuss how we can find the square root by using long division method. So let's get started. My first number here is 3844. When I am going to find the square root of a number, first start making pairs of it. My number is 3844. First step is start making pairing from the ones end. So start from the ones end and start making pair of 2. First pair is of 44 and second pair is of 38. Next, write the nearest perfect square which is either equal to or less than the number. My number here is 38, so think of a number which is a perfect square and at the same time less than 38. So my number will be 36. So I am going to write 6 and 6, multiply above, multiply these two numbers and write here and add below. Write the addition of these two numbers here. At the same time, copy the numbers at the top. Next is subtract these. 38 minus 36 will be 2. Copy the next pair and follow the same steps. My next pair here is 44, 2, 4, 4. Now I have to write a number here. In this box I have to fill the same number such that on multiplying the numbers, like for example I am going to fill here 1. So number at the top will become 121 and the number will be multiplied by 1. 121 multiplied by 1. Whatever number we are filling here, the product should be either less than or equals to the number which is written on the right hand side. This we have to find by hit and trial. So let's start. Suppose I am filling here 2. So it will become 122. The number at the top 1, 2 and I am writing 2 here. So 122 multiplied by 2. It is going to give me 244. Bigger. I required the same number. So in this box I am going to write 2. Write the same number at the top also. Product, multiply above and add below. Subtraction will be 0. I have to continue this step until I get the result as 0. Once I get the result as 0, square root is, we are done with the square root. So square root of 3844 under root of 3844 is equals to 62. Now let's try to find the square root of 7056. Same, start making pairing from the ones end. 7056. My first pair here will be 56 and second pair will be 70. Think of a number which is a perfect square and should be either equals to or less than 70. My answer will be 64. So 8 multiplied by 8. Multiply above. 8 8s are 64. Add below. 8 plus 8 is going to give me 16. At the same time, write this number here also. Now in this box, I have to fill the same numbers. So let's start by hit and trial. Suppose I am going to write 3 here. 163 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. It is going to give me 489. Okay, and here what I wanted was 70 minus 64 6. Copy the next number. So 489 is less than 656, but still check with the next number. So next number will be 164. 4 4s are 16, 24, 25, 656. Bingo, I got my number. So I am going to fill 4 here At the same time, write the 4 at the top also. 164 multiplied by 4, 656. Remainder is 0. So my square root is 84. Under root of 7056 will be 84. Now please pause the video for a second and try to find the square root of 9025. Next, I am going to explain that. So we have to now find under root of 9025. Start making pairs. First pair will be 25, second pair will be 90. Now think of a square which is less than 90, that is 81. So 9 9s are 81. At the same time, write 9 at the top. Multiply above and add below. 9 plus 9 is going to give me 18. Do subtraction this side. 90 minus 81 will be 9. Now copy the next number and follow the same steps. My next number will be to fill same numbers. So I have to write a number after 18. Suppose I am writing 5. So 185 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 42. Bingo. I got my answer. So in this box I am going to write 5. At the same time, write 5 at the top. 185 multiplied by 5 will be 925. Remainder is 0. So my under root of 9025 will be 95. So till here we are done with the simple numbers. Next is finding the square root of numbers with decimals. Steps are same, just the difference is after the decimal we have to start making pair from the first number. For example, my first pair here will be 61, second pair will be 96. Before decimals we are making pairs from the ones and the digits after decimal we have to start making pairing from the 1/10th number. So first number is 2450.25. Start making pairs. On the digits after decimal, the pair will be 25. Now I have to think of a number which is a perfect square as well as less than 24. So my number will be 16. 4 4s are 16. At the same time, write the number at the top. 4 plus 4 will be 8 and 24 minus 16 is also 8. Copy the next pair and continue with the same steps. Next pair is 50. Now I have to write a number here, the same numbers which we written in the two boxes. So 80 multiplied by 0. 80 tens will be 800, no? So it will be 89 into 9. So I am going to write 9 here. 89 multiplied by 9 will be 801. Add this side and subtract on the right hand side. 850 minus 801 will be 49. I have written 9 here, so write the same digit at the top. 89 plus 9 will be 98. Now I have to fill same numbers in the next boxes. There is a decimal in the question, so put a decimal mark here also and copy the next pair. Next pair is 4925. So I have to write a number after 98. It will become 985 multiplied by 5. 985 multiplied by 5 will give me 4925. Result is 0. I have written 5 here, so fill 5 at the top also. Under root of 2450.25 will be 49 point. Next number I have is 23.6196. Start making pairing. One pair, next pair. Now a perfect square less than 23. 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 plus 4 going to give me 8. 23 minus 16, 7. There is a decimal, so write decimal at the top and then copy the next pair. Next pair here is 61. I have to write same numbers in these boxes. The product of the numbers should be less than 761. So I can write 8 here. Multiply above 88 into 8, 704. Add below 88 plus 8 is going to give me 96. At the same time write the same number at the top also. Now the difference of these two, 11 minus 4, 761 minus 704 is going to give me 57. Now copy the next pair, 5 7 9 6. I have to write same numbers in these boxes. Okay, 9 6. What should I write? 6. 6 6 are 36. The digit ending with 6. So by hit and trial I am going to write 6 here. 6 6 are 36. 5 7 9 6. Bingo. So I am going to write 6 here. At the same time write 6 at the top. So 966 multiply by 6. 5796. Remainder is 0. So under root of this number is 4.86. Next, what you have to do, you have to find the square root of 6241 using the long division method and write your answers in the comment box. The top 3 entries, I will write the name of the top 3 entries in the next videos. At the same time, if you have any demands or suggestions regarding video, you can also mention in the comment box.